What's up, guys? So I literally just woke up and I heard the mailman, so yeah. Alright, so I unboxed it. I really like the color. The little bubbles inside. I really fucks with it. Heavy. It's not very long, is what I really liked. I wasn't looking for a long one. So yeah, let me make some breakfast and then we'll throw it on. Alright guys, so we're here. He gave us these. Pretty sure because there's different measurements on different cars. So just unscrew it off. Very easy. Probably gonna keep this just in case. But still, weight reduction. So yeah, out of all of these, found the right one that fits on there. So put it on. There you go. Start twist, 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 twist. And honestly, like, it's pretty racy, but I like how it looks, and that's just me. There it goes. One thing I really like about it is, I don't know if it's gonna be able to focus. There you go. That little detail it has. JDM. It looks pretty clean to me. But yeah, there we have it. Let's see how it drives now. So we're gonna take it out for a drive, see how it feels. It does feel like you can go into the gears a little faster. Oh shit. It feels pretty good. It's a nice day outside. It's actually very comfortable. I didn't think it was gonna be this comfortable, but it's very comfortable. I feel like it's way too easy to go into gears. Like, you can barely even feel them. Honestly, wow, yeah, I'm very satisfied with it. Feels real good. So yeah, I came here to Sears. I think they have good tools over here. Not sure, I'm gonna go check them out. But I've been wanting to get me some tools, you know, just in case. And yeah, that was a finished product on the JDM chode shifter. Looks pretty clean, honestly, to me. Call me Ricer all you want. So we came here to Sears. Shit's expensive as shit. 40 bucks. Come on now. I don't know what I'm gonna do. We'll be back. Found for the right price, but I think it was the 58 pieces. This one's 118 piece, so I think this one's it. But I feel like it might be worth it. But yeah, I might just end up getting this one. So I was gonna buy me the 58 piece. Oh, well, actually, I bought me the 58 piece, and I was gonna go ahead and get me a flashlight as well. But them hoes were like 30 bucks, and I was thinking it's too much money. I could have just got another, like, a bigger set of tools for that money. So I was like, I don't know. I'll just probably wait on the. So yeah, we're gonna throw these hoes in the trunk and just wait. Oh yeah, and my homie hooked it up for free $99. Shout out to my homie Sosa.